Dear colleagues, today we are going to discuss another problem concerning pronunciation. As you know, and as I told you beforehand, problems come from depending only on spelling while pronouncing any sound. Today we are going to talk about two similar sounds, namely s and z. S, z. How are these sounds made? How are s and z made? Number one, look here. The tip of the tongue is behind your upper teeth. Again, the tip of the tongue is behind your upper teeth. What about air? The air is blown out over the top of your tongue. Blow air over the top of your tongue. What's the difference between the two? This is a voiceless sound. This is a voiced sound. I mean, while pronouncing this sound, I use my voice. But while pronouncing that sound, I don't use my voice. I say s, z, s, z. Look at the examples. Rice. Repeat after me. Rice. Rises. Look at the spelling. The spelling here is misleading. Cats. Cars. Cars. Lazy. Lazy. Bus. Buzz. The price. Price. Advice. Advise. Last but not least, don't bend on spelling only while pronouncing any sound. As I said, pronouncing or spelling may be misleading while pronouncing any new word. My colleagues, give me as many examples as you can concerning these two similar sounds. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Dear colleagues, today we are going to talk about some problems concerning pronunciation. Now we are going to talk about very similar sounds. D, t, d, t. Look at examples. Do, to, do, to, mill, heard, again, do, to, mill, heard. Look at the examples. They are very similar. Both of them are made by putting your tongue behind your top teeth. But this sound is voiced consonant. This sound is voiceless consonant. So they are very similar and they are made in the same way by putting your tongue behind your top teeth. Thanks a lot, my dear. Best wishes. Goodbye.